What's up YouTube, TMZ1313 here. Today I just got my new system that I'm working on. Slowly but surely it's coming along. It looks like a mess right now, but I assure you it's moving along just fine and dandy. Just a little bit slow for my liking, but hey, it is what it is. So if you haven't seen my videos before, this is a new system that I'm putting up. This is a 24 volt system. I got 220 amp hours worth of batteries in this battery box. Got Outback, Ames inverter, and my newest addition is my transfer switch that I just got put in from an electrician. So I had an electrician come out, pull a permit, all that bull crap, just to get this in there, and so everything's done legal and the right way. I am actually running stuff off of it. So I got, what, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 900 watts running off of it right now. Let's see what that says. I know it's upside down. 800 watts. So I got 800 watts running off of it right now. Just to show you some things that are ran off of this transfer switch. I got my fridge running off of it. It's not on it right now, it's on the grid. But if I need to, I could switch the fridge over. I got my furnace that runs off of it. That is running off of it. And that has my air conditioner, the blower motor for my air conditioner. So a whole bunch of lights and plugs. That's about mostly what it is. All lights and plugs. So that's mostly what it's going to be powering. And my furnace and fridge if I need to be. So I did hook up some solar panels, as you can tell by this not permanent wire that's coming in. I got 3 panels hooked up in series. It's late at night right now, so I'm not getting anything. Let's see what we got here. So I got 113 watts coming in, 23 volts, 23.7 under load. I got 900 watts coming off of the system. Let's see what we got for today. Now I just hooked this solar panels up not too long ago, just to charge up my batteries. You know, nothing major. Here is what I got. Sorry, I'm paying attention more to what I'm doing. So I'd say I got 6 amp hours, 0.1 kilowatt. 123 volts maximum, or the highest voltage. 4.3 amp peak. Nothing major. Like I said, I just plugged the solar panels in not too long ago. They're facing west. They got clouds. It's been raining all day, so nothing yet. But tomorrow we might see something a little better. And if so, I will show it to you guys. But this is just to top off my batteries. Doing a test run. Nothing is fully done yet. This still needs a breaker on it, which will be very soon. So I'll be getting a breaker for this. I still gotta put all my solar panels on the roof, so that's something I gotta do. That's all done. I told my electrician to keep this off. It is live right now, so I just want to be careful. But yeah, so we got the transfer switch going in, and that's going to all the breakers that I want to run off of it. There's 6 of them. Pretty simple stuff. Really easy to install, so I really highly suggest you getting a transfer switch like this if you want to run circuits off of your house. It's really neat having this because you can tell if you're overloading on your come on, focus. You can tell if you're overloading or not off of the from the watts, so you're not overloading your inverter. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. Keep updated. Hit that bell so you get notifications when I make a new video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.